2025 GMC Sierra 2500HD. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It features an excellent mix of comfort and handling along with cross-traffic alert, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, moonroof, backup camera. This stylish, long-lasting ride won't last long, so hurry!